So today I'm making this video to tell you how to secure a job or sponsorship for IMGs. This is because I've gotten lots of questions on how do I secure a job from my country, or am I qualified to secure a job from my country? The truth is, if you have an MBBS and you have work experience that is 2 years post internship, you are actually likely going to be qualified for any of the provinces that take international medical graduates, because it's not all the provinces in Canada that take international medical graduates. That's what people don't understand. So that when you're applying for your permanent resident and you are an international medical graduate that really want to practice medicine in Canada, there are some provinces that do not allow IMGs to practice in their province. So what you will do is you select those provinces like British Columbia, Alberta, Manitoba. Newfoundland and Labrador have joined now, and they are now doing PRA. So is what you will now do what you will do is just to help yourself by choosing these provinces that allow international medical graduates to practice in their province. This is what will help you that when you come to Canada, while you are navigating the job market and the job system, you'll be able to fit into medical practice. And also that brings me to this announcement. We're going to be having a live Zoom session where I'll be able to answer questions and have people that can also answer your questions based on your individual peculiarities, on whether you met the criteria for whichever province that you want to practice. Remember, these are just based on people's experience. It's not what the province still have the final say. Those that are going to assess your documents still have the final say. These are based on experiences of what people have gone through, what they have navigated. So don't come with the mindset that, okay, this person said that person peculiarities may not be your own peculiarity. So the thing is this: you will just gather as many information as possible that is going to help you, so that when you are submitting your documents, you know what you need to submit and you know how to gather your experiences, because some of us have experiences in different things, and those experiences are valid for some provinces, and for some other provinces it may not be used for them to, as in they may not use it for evaluation. I hope this is getting to you so that you individually understand what I mean. And that takes me to what we have for today. Then that brings me to the website. So this website is where you can go and check if you qualify for the sponsorship, because what doctors and what qualifications that is needed, whether for associate physician, clinical assistant, doctors, family physician, specialist physician, anyone is actually on this website, and whichever place or whichever hospital that is making that publication as well is actually listed on this website. And that website is what you can see it: drjobsalberta.albertahealthservices.ca. Previously it used to be Dr. Jobs Alberta. Now if you click on Dr. Jobs Alberta, it's going to redirect you with a redirect link. And most times when it's redirecting you, if your computer is very sensitive or your Wi-Fi is very sensitive, it may actually block it, because Dr. Jobs Alberta is no longer the website they are using. So the current website now is drjobsalberta.albertahealthservices.ca. So I'm going to put this link in the description box. I hope I don't forget to put it, because I think I said I was going to put a link in the description box in a previous video and I forgot. It was people that called my attention to it. I'll try and put this link in the description box so that if you want to go through it or check it out, you can just copy it out and put it on your web browser and check out what they have. And the beauty of it is you will see the criteria to see if you can apply from your home country, to check if you met the requirements. But one beautiful thing about our Zoom meeting is going to help you narrow down on the things that you really need to help you stand out from the crowd. Because if I tell you that the competition is not fierce, the competition is fierce, and that is the truth. So which is the reason I'm making this video, to make life easy for you. If you want to join us for the Zoom meeting, you want to join, just a message, I want to join, in the comment section, and I will send you how to join the Zoom meeting. And that brings me to the end of this video. Please, if you're coming across my video for the first time, I want you to do what? Subscribe, share, like, and invite your friends. Let's make this a community, actually a very good one that is very supportive for us doctors. So have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the Zoom class. Enjoy your day.